Welcome to Salika Meg. Today's tutorial about how you can turn any shirt in a twisted or stylish top. I'm your swing instructor Sarah. I have 3 years of diploma and 9+ years of teaching experience these skills. I already uploaded many videos for the beginners and advanced level. You can check in my channel. If you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's quickly start this tutorial. So I have this t-shirt and we will make it a twisted top. So first you need to open the sides. You can cut it by the scissor or you can open it by removing your thread, and after that you have to cut from the center, mark the center point, and that's how you have to mark the center point, and then just cut the center till the neckline. You can make this on your old t-shirt, or even you can use a basic draft and cut that basic draft and then make this top from that, but like this method. You can check basic draft on my channel. Check the playlist how to make a basic drop. So now I'm going to cut from here 5 inches almost upside. You can take it on your waistline. So till waistline you have to mark like this and leave 1 inch on this left side, and then just cut from here something like this. Just leave 1 inch here and cut from here, and again on your waistline, and then cut from here something like this. So guys, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button. It will really help me to make the more videos. So now you have to take it like, you have to twist it something. I will show you. See, like this. Make one side here and one side here. Let me repeat it for you because I know this is tricky for beginners. So that's how you have to do it, like this. You can see now there is a twist on the center. Now we will start the stitching part. First take the pins and pin up here, and after that I will show you where you have to stitch. See, that's how you just pin up, and now the other side also you have to pin up, and now this is the part that we have to stitch, and you can see here something like this. You have to join these sides with the sides, and basically in this t-shirt we will join this hemline with the side of the back side. So let me show you how we can do this, but first I will stitch this line that we just pin up. So you can understand that that's how you have to pin up. Then this hemline will go on the side after the stitching. So let me show you how we can do that. So I'm just going to stitch from here this way in an angle, because we have to attach something here like this. Let me show you first so you can understand what's going on here. See, that's how it will come here. So that's why we have to stitch it in a angle, not the straight as I just attach the pins. Hope you understand the concept. So our stitching line will come like this, in this angle like this. So let me stitch this part and we'll show you how you can attach the side with the side. So after stitching, then we will start the stitching the side part. I'm doing it a little a slow method, step by step, so even beginner can understand. If you are on an advanced level, you can fast forward the video. There is a 3 dot on the right side of your video. You can increase the speed, and see, that's how you have to pin up in an angle, and this way. So just pin up here and then stitch this part. Guys, I already uploaded a complete course about how to make a dress for beginners. You can check on my channel if you are first time here. See, that's how I just mark here the stitching line. Now I will attach these sides. You can remove the back side completely, but I didn't remove the back side and even the sleeves, so it will be easy to fix. So now I'm just going to pin up from here the side, and let me show you that this part will come here something like this. Hope you understand that that now our hemline is coming on our side. So now I'm going to pin up all this, and the extra fabric I will cut from here. So if anything is extra, I will cut from here. See, this is some extra fabric, so I will cut from here. You can cut at this stage, or you can cut after stitching the sideline, so it's up to you how you feel more confident. So now I'm going to attach these pins from here as well. So guys, please press a thumbs up if you like this video. This is very easy, do it yourself. You can turn any of your old t-shirt into stylish twisted top, and even if you want to make a new top, you can use a basic pattern and then you can do same thing with that basic pattern. Cut the front and back and then do with the front same thing. So you can turn a stylish top from a very basic pattern. That's why when I was teaching you the basic pattern, I told you that this basic pattern will use in different styles. So see, now here I just stitch from here the one side. I already cut the extra fabric and I didn't cut this thing. You can cut from here, but I just want to show you guys that what's going on here, because it's a little tricky. So I didn't cut the angle part of my plates, so now I just cut from here as well. So hope you understand, this is very easy, and you can turn the neckline in the like a V shape, and you can just stitch from there. You can hem your neckline whatever style you want, and see, that's how your twist will come on the center. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and give your feedback, and please press a thumbs up button if you really like your this video. Even if you don't like, press the thumbs down, no problem, but at least give your feedback. Bye bye.